Now, before you start uploading videos to your newly created channel, there are some additional things that you need to do if you want to succeed on YouTube. Having a professional looking YouTube channel banner design is an example of one of such additional things that you need to take care of. But the problem usually is that designing a banner can be challenging, especially for new creators. I mean, knowing the right dimension or color contrast can be an issue. In this video, I'm going to help you create an attractive YouTube channel banner using just your smartphone, and I will ensure that your banner meets the YouTube banner size specifications. But first, if this is your first channel and you're interested in YouTube automation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. For a start, if you don't know what the YouTube channel banner is, then you should understand that it's this visual representation of most channels when you get to the channel homepage. Your channel banner is similar to the cover photo on your Facebook and Twitter profiles. So, for example, your YouTube channel is like a website, right? And the YouTube banner is like the header section to that website that tells viewers in a nutshell what your channel is all about. Your channel banner will help, of course, make your channel look professional and increase your chances of gaining new subscribers to your YouTube channel. Let's now look at how to easily design the YouTube channel banner on your mobile device using the Canva app. By the way, if you don't want to go through the stress of designing a channel banner for yourself, you are always welcome to pay for one on Fiverr or other more expensive services. Having said that, if you like to design your own channel art, make sure to hit that like button and keep watching. Now, no matter what other YouTubers want to tell you about creating a channel banner, as a beginner, your best bet is Canva. We'll be using the Canva application for this tutorial. Canva is easy and free to use, and they have a mobile app with all the features. With Canva, you can make graphic designs without any watermark. It's the easiest mobile app for creating graphics like this. So if you still do not have the Canva app installed on your device, then head over to the Google Play Store or the alternative of iPhone and download it for your device. Next is opening the app and then making a search for YouTube banner. As you can see here, you really don't have to spend money to get a professional looking channel banner because Canva has you covered with templates that you can edit and make it your own. Of course, you also have the option to create one for yourself from scratch, but in this case, I will just go with this template here. Now, here is where I want you to pay close attention. There are a few key concepts to understand about the way images are displayed on different devices. So, to make sure your channel banner meets YouTube banner size guidelines, they recommended a banner size of 2560 by 1440 pixels with a minimum image dimension of 2048 by 1152 pixels and aspect ratio of 16 by 9. Now, most importantly, YouTube also recommends a minimum image safe area for text and logos, which is 1235 by 338 pixels. And not to also forget a file size limit of 6 megabytes. Now let's break all that complicated data down in a way that you perfectly understand the YouTube guidelines on channel banner ads. First of all, the question is, why so many sizes? Well, the simple answer to that is it comes down to how the YouTube channel banner would display on the screens of different devices. Your channel viewers will be using Android to iPhones all the way to TV screens. That means you want to make your YouTube channel banner look good, whether it's displayed on the largest size screen at the full 2560 pixels width down to the smallest size phone screens or any other size in between. So why do you need all that again? Well, if you don't, you'll be potentially losing views to your videos and even new subscribers. Here is the recommended YouTube channel banner dimension that you can download for yourself from the YouTube website. This will help you put all those numbers that YouTube requires from a channel banner in perspective. Now, as you can see here, if you want to do the editing without this template, you will have to deal with a lot of different sizes to be able to make sure that the YouTube banner art display right on all different screen sizes. Now that you have got with this template the dimension, the file size, and all around guidelines for the YouTube channel banner, it's time to start designing. And that's where these Canva templates come into play, especially if you are just starting out with designing. Like I already mentioned, these templates were created using the same dimensions required by YouTube. As you can see, the main banner design and the information is found only in the middle here, since that's the size of the smallest screen. So all you need to start doing is editing each of these elements. You can tap on the text element here, for example, to change it to your channel name, give it a color effect. You can also delete any feature on the template by just tapping on it and hitting the delete button. You can even delete the entire background or edit it using any of the features here below to make the template have the look and feel of what your channel is. Usually when you are starting out, you don't have to have the best looking channel banner. A basic professional one like this would take you a long way. Now, when you are finished with your editing, tap on this icon at the top right and on download from the pop under that appears. Let's now upload our newly created channel banner and see how it looks. To do that, you want to go back to the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon again and on your channel from the pop-up that appears. To add your channel banner, tap on the pencil icon here, and on the next page, tap on the camera icon or feature here on the banner holder, and you'll be taken to your gallery. Here you want to look for your newly created banner and upload it. It's that simple. Now you can go ahead and start optimizing and structuring your channel so that when you start uploading videos, it will be easy for your viewers and subscribers to navigate easily through your channel and find all your videos. Again, you'll find a link below this video that will take you to a complete checklist of what you need to do after this to optimize and structure your channel for more views and subscribers. With all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.